Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need to act now. Confirm you have an iPhone 6 and enough storage because updates fail when space runs out. Back up to iCloud or connect to a computer for an iTunes backup and make sure the backup finishes. This protects your data. Once done, plug into power and a reliable Wi-Fi. An interrupted download can brick the device. Next, open Settings, go to General, then Software Update to check for available iOS updates and start the download. After the download begins, monitor the progress and estimated time. Larger updates take longer on older hardware. While the update prepares and verifies, your phone will use extra CPU and battery, so keep it plugged in and avoid heavy apps. This prevents unexpected shutdowns. If prompted, enter your passcode to authorize installation. The device will restart multiple times. This is normal. Make sure you do not interrupt the install. Patience here prevents. Once the install completes, follow the on-screen setup steps. Sign into your Apple ID, review privacy settings, and re-enable features. Verify success by checking Settings General About for the new iOS version. If apps need updating, use the App Store to update them. If something goes wrong and the phone is stuck or repeatedly fails to boot, connect it to a computer, enter recovery mode, and use iTunes or Finder to restore the device. This usually resolves failed updates without hardware repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.